Hello and welcome to WeLearn Virtual Learning Network. This is session number 22 of Hindi 2. Topics to be covered in this session are Qanun. We have already studied about it, few sentences in the previous session. Few more sentences we are going to study here about law, rules, regulations, order, and post office. We know post office where we use it for letters, for delivering letters. Our letters go by post through post office. So let us start with law, that means Qanun. So we are going to study here few sentences about law. We have already studied few sentences, few more sentences here. Let's start with the first one. Lawlessness prevails in the city. Lawlessness is nobody following any order, rules, regulations, law. That is lawlessness. The condition is called lawlessness. शहर में बदअमनी फैली हुई है. Lawlessness prevails in the city. शहर में बदअमनी फैली हुई है. That means lawlessness prevails in the city. शहर में बदअमनी फैली हुई है. बदअमनी is lawlessness. City, शहर, फैली हुई है, that means prevails. So that means this condition is all over the city. Condition of lawlessness, that is बदअमनी. So शहर में बदअमनी फैली हुई है, that means lawlessness prevails in the city. आप मेरे गवाह हैं. गवाह is the person who has seen the incident with his eyes at the position, at the place where the crime or any incident happened. So he was there just watching the incident happening, that is witnessing the event. So that person is called witness. So you are my witness. That means आप मेरे गवाह हैं. गवाह is witness. आप मेरे, that means you are my witness. आप मेरे गवाह हैं. गवाह is witness. He is innocent. Innocent is what? He has not done any crime. He has not done any blunder. So that is innocent. वह बिल्कुल बेगुनाह है. बेगुनाह is innocent. He is innocent. That means वह बिल्कुल बेगुनाह है. He is innocent. यह सब नकली दस्तावेज हैं. These are all forged documents. ये सब नकली दस्तावेज हैं. These are all forged documents. Forged is those which are not real or something wrong, or you can say fake ones. They are called forged documents. ये सब नकली दस्तावेज हैं. These are all forged documents. यह सब नकली दस्तावेज हैं. These are all forged documents. नकली दस्तावेज, that means forged documents. Document is important of, you can say, files and all, which includes important material carrying information. So ये सब नकली दस्तावेज हैं. That means these are all forged documents. उसने मेरे विरुद्ध केस किया है. विरुद्ध is against. He filed a suit against me. Suit is case. Filed, that means he case किया है. Filed a suit, that means he has filed a matter against me. Filed a suit against me. So उसने मेरे विरुद्ध केस किया है. विरुद्ध is against. केस किया है, that means filed a suit. उसने मेरे विरुद्ध केस किया है. He filed a suit against me. पुलिस इस विषय में छानबीन कर रही है. The police is investigating the matter. पुलिस इस विषय में छानबीन कर रही है. विषय is matter, छानबीन is investigating. So police is investigating the matter. Matter is विषय. Investigating, that means छानबीन. पुलिस इस विषय में छानबीन कर रही है. पुलिस इज इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग द मैटर. इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग इज छानबीन. विषय इज मैटर. सो द पुलिस इज इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग द मैटर. मजिस्ट्रेट ने अपराधी पर अपराध लगा दिया. द मजिस्ट्रेट convicted the accused. Magistrate is the person who takes decision. The judge. Convicted, that means अपराध लगा देना. अपराधी, that means accused. अपराधी is the one who has done the wrong thing, the criminal or the wrong person who has done the fault. Convicted, that means अपराध लगा दिया. The magistrate convicted the accused. Magistrate ने अपराधी पर अपराध लगा दिया. The magistrate convicted the accused. The magistrate convicted the accused. Magistrate ने अपराधी पर अपराध लगा दिया. अपराध लगा दिया, that means convicted. अपराधी, that means accused. Magistrate, the person who has taken the judge, the person who takes the decision. So the magistrate convicted the accused, that means magistrate ने अपराधी पर अपराध लगा दिया. ज्यूरी ने अभियुक्त के पक्ष में निर्णय दिया. The jury gave its verdict in favor of the accused. Jury is the panel of judges. Verdict, that means निर्णय. In favor of the accused, that means paksh, that means favor. And abhyukt, that means accused. So the jury gave its verdict in favor of the accused. That means jury has taken the wrong decision and it has given its decision in favor of the accused. Accused is the person who has done the blunder, who has done the fault, who has done the crime. But jury, that means the panel of judges, has given their final decision, that means verdict, in favor of the accused. Jury ने अभियुक्त के पक्ष में निर्णय लिया. Jury is the panel of judges. अभियुक्त, that means accused. पक्ष में, that means in favor of. निर्णय लिया, that means gave its verdict. So the jury gave its verdict in favor of the accused. Jury ने अभियुक्त के पक्ष में निर्णय लिया. मुकदमे का क्या फैसला हुआ? What was the judgment in the case? मुकदमे, that means case. फैसला, that means judgment. So what was the judgment in the case? मुकदमे का क्या फैसला हुआ? He is an eyewitness. Eyewitness is the person who is present there when the incident or the event happened or some kind of accident happened. So he is present there. He is an eyewitness. That means वह चश्मदीद गवाह है. चश्मदीद गवाह, that means eye witness. So he is an eye witness, that means वह चश्मदीद गवाह है. He is an eye witness. वह कानून का मानने वाला है. He is a law abiding man. That means he follows law, he follows rules, regulations, he follows the order and he is a law abiding man. That means who follows law. वह कानून का मानने वाला है. कानून is law, as you know. मानने वाला, that means abiding man. That means he follows law. He is a law abiding man. वह कानून का मानने वाला है. The person who follows rules, regulations, order, law. So that person can be known as law abiding man. So he is a law abiding man. That means वह कानून का मानने वाला है. इंसाफ में देरी का मतलब है अंधेर है. Justice delayed is justice denied. As we can take the case, the person who is on deathbed, maybe somebody has you can say tried to murder that person, and he is on deathbed, he's not well, and still the matter is in the court that whether the person has tried to murder him or he's on his own tried that. So the matter is still in the court, justice has still not come. So maybe the person who is on the deathbed could not get the treatment until and unless the final verdict comes from the jury. So in that case, if that justice delayed, so that means maybe that person dies. So in that case, justice delayed is justice denied. That means इंसाफ इज वॉट जस्टिस में देरी, दैट मीन्स डिलेड का मतलब अंधेर है. अंधेर इज जस्टिस डिनाइड, दैट मीन्स विच इज नॉट गिवन. इट क्रिएट्स chaos, destruction, large scale havoc, you can say. So in that case, the person who dies and do not get the treatment, it's for him delay in the justice will create all round, you can say, darkness for him. So अंधेर is darkness. इंसाफ में देरी का मतलब अंधेर है. Justice delayed is justice denied. इंसाफ में देरी का मतलब अंधेर है. सफाई के वकील ने बहुत बढ़िया पैरवी की. सफाई का वकील, दैट मीन्स डिफेंस काउंसिल, बहुत बढ़िया पैरवी की, दैट मीन्स आर्ग्यूड द केस वेल. दैट मीन्स ही argued for the case very well. He gave the valid arguments and tried to defend his person. So the defense counsel, that means सफाई के वकील ने बहुत बढ़िया पैरवी की. He argued the case well. Now few sentences we'll study about post office. Common sentences that we use in this context. First one, the next clearance is due at 4:30 PM. अगली डाक 4:30 बजे निकलेगी. The next clearance is due at 4:30 PM. अगली डाक, that means the next clearance 4:30 बजे, that means 4:30 PM. साढ़े, that means half. So 4:30 is half. 4, that means 4. निकलेगी, that means it's due. So the next clearance is due at 4:30 PM. अगली डाक, that means the next clearance which will go is due at 4:30 PM. The registered packet needs more stamps. The registered packet needs more stamps. So registered packet पर पूरे ticket नहीं है. Stamps are ticket we use for the post. So the registered packet which is registered, it doesn't have enough stamps which are required. So it needs more stamps. The registered packet needs more stamps. The registered packet पर पूरे टिकट नहीं है. कृपया मनी ऑर्डर की रसीद भेजना. Please acknowledge the money order. That means the acknowledgement which we get with money order, receipt letter. So you are requesting that please acknowledge the money order. कृपया मनी ऑर्डर की रसीद भेजना. Please acknowledge the money order. Money order we know, the money we sent by post. So please acknowledge the money order. कृपया मनी ऑर्डर की रसीद भेजना. Have you weighed the parcel? क्या तुमने पार्सल का वजन कर लिया है? वजन करना, that means weighed. Parcel in which we are sending the envelope, in which we are sending something, that is parcel. Have you weighed the parcel? Because it goes by weight. So have you weighed the parcel? क्या तुमने पार्सल का वजन कर लिया है? मुझे डाक खाने से कुछ लिफाफे और इनलैंड शीट्स खरीदने हैं. लिफाफे इज envelopes. Inland sheets. So I have to buy some envelopes and inland sheets from the post office. Post office is डाक खाना. लिफाफे envelopes. Inland sheets खरीदने, that means buy. मुझे खरीदने, I have to buy it. That means it's a compulsion that I have to buy it. So I have to buy some envelopes and inland sheets from the post office. Some, that means कुछ. मुझे डाक खाने से कुछ लिफाफे और inland sheets खरीदने हैं. The workers in the postal department are on strike. डाक विभाग के कर्मचारी हड़ताल पर हैं. डाक विभाग is postal department. The people who works in the post office or postal department, they work for the post, for the letters and all. So workers, that means कर्मचारी. हड़ताल, that means on the strike. The workers in the postal department are on the strike. डाक विभाग के कर्मचारी हड़ताल पर हैं. The workers in the postal department are on the strike. डाक विभाग के कर्मचारी हड़ताल पर हैं. Workers in the postal department are on the strike. So that is all for this session, where we have studied about law, that is कानून, and post office, that is डाक खाना in Hindi. Post office is the department through which we send the letters and post. So we have studied few sentences which are in common use in both the aspects and both the context. So you can learn them better by revising them again and again. In order to learn them and use them in your conversation, you need to learn them with their sounds, grammar, and their pronunciation. So you can revise them again and again in the session. That is all for this session by now. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Happy learning. We learning.